Yeah, hi, I'm going to be showing you how to play the C 7th chord on the piano. First locate your root note C, play this with your first finger. Next note is the note E, play this with your second finger. Third note is the note G, play this with your third finger. And the last note we need is the B flat, play this with your fifth finger. So there you have it, the C 7th chord. Now, because the C 7th chord is in fact a 4-note chord, you can also have what's known as 4 inversions of the chord. This inversion is called the root inversion or root note inversion because you have the root note at the bottom of the chord. Okay? To make an inversion, simply move the bottom note of the chord all the way to the top. Move your hand. So this is the C 7th chord first inversion. To make the next inversion, again move the bottom note of the chord all the way to the top, this time the note E. Move your hand. This is the C 7th chord second inversion. And to make one more inversion, again move the bottom note, this time G, all the way to the top, like this. Move your hand. The C 7th chord third inversion. Now you'll notice if we make one more inversion of this chord, moving the bottom note, this time B flat, all the way to the top, like this, we will in fact be back at the root inversion of the chord, just like the one we started with, only one octave higher. Okay? And of course we can go the other way, downwards on the piano, starting with the root inversion of the chord. Now move the top note of the chord to the bottom and move your hand. This is the third inversion. Again, move the top note to the bottom, move your hand. This is the second inversion. And one more. Top note to the bottom, move your hand. This is the first inversion of the chord. And lastly, top note to the bottom. And you'll be back at the root inversion of the chord. So let's do it one more time. Root. First inversion, second inversion, third inversion, and back to root inversion. And the other way, starting with root inversion, top note to the bottom, third inversion, second inversion, first inversion, and back at root inversion of the C 7th chord. Now I'm also going to be showing you a way to play inversions with a 3-note chord, sorry, a 4-note chord that's a bit easier. Now instead of playing all 4 notes with my right hand, I'm going to be playing the root note with my left hand. And I'm going to change the fingering a bit here to make it easier. So now, instead of inverting all 4 notes of the chord, I'm only going to be inverting the top 3 notes of the chord and keeping this root note the same all the way. Okay? So starting with this root inversion, now I'm going to be inverting the top 3 notes. So I'm going to move the bottom note of the chord E to the top, move my hand, play the root note. Alright? I'm going to do one more time. A new inversion, moving the bottom note to the top and playing the root note. Yes. One more. Bottom note of the chord to the top. Play the root note. So now I'm back at the root inversion. Right, it's the same note. And the other way, starting with the root inversion here. Moving the top note to the bottom, playing the root note, move the top note to the bottom, play the root note, and one more, top note to the bottom, play the root note, like that. So to practice this, simply go up and down the piano with these inversions. 7th chord. Now, before you leave me for today, please remember to like this video if you liked this lesson. I'm sure you did, right? And subscribe to this channel to get more free piano lessons from me. So please guys, do it now. Help me out here. See you around. So, I hope you enjoyed this free piano lesson. Do you want more free piano chord stuff? How about a free piano chord chart? Or a free chord inversion crash course? Or a free chord symbols chart? Simply go to pianochordcharts.net and download your free stuff. Click the link below and I'll see you over there. Please like this video to keep our videos free for future visitors. Thank you.